Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to add watermark to photo on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open camera application. You can see over here camera application has been opened. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for settings. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several camera settings options over here. What you have to do is simply find the option for automatically add logo watermarks. Once you find that option, simply toggle the button on right next to that option. Now you can see over here this option has been toggled on. Now simply go back. Now whenever you click the photo, you can see over here the watermark will be added by default. But if your device does not have that kind of settings, what you can do is simply edit the photo. For that, what you have to do is launch open the gallery or Google Photos application. You can see over here it has been opened. Now simply tap on the photo in which you want to add the watermark. Now tap on the edit option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now what you have to do is simply find the option for text. For me, it is in the markup interface. Simply tap on the markup option. Now tap on the option text. Now you can add the text over here. Keep in mind you cannot add the photo as watermark. You can only add the text. You can also change the color if you want. Simply tap on the color of your choice. Now tap on the done option. Now tap on the option done that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here like this too, you'll be able to add the text watermark. But if you want to add the photo watermark, for that you'll have to use the photo editing applications like Canva. So like this, you'll be able to add watermark to photo on Android. So that is how you add watermark to photo on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.